Good morning, everybody. I'm out here at the field again. It's nice and early. Nobody else is here today, so I thought I'd put together a quick little video of some stuff that I'm working on. One thing I've got that I'm pretty excited about is this thing I call the Whatever Wing.
Whatever.
It's called the Whatever Wing because it was made with whatever I had laying around. I set myself a goal of creating a wing in an evening with whatever parts I had laying around, just to see if it could be done, because why not? And also I wanted to create something that would get people into flying that are maybe coming from quads or people who haven't done it before but don't really want to spend a lot of time on it because they don't really know if they're interested or they might crash. So I wanted to make something that was good and simple and quick and easy, and this is it. I've had a chance to fly it. I maidened it, and it was good. I didn't record it because I forgot to, and I'm pretty excited about it. That's why I'm showing it to you now. I did do a build video of it when I started, but halfway through I was doing it wrong and I didn't want to show you guys how to build it wrong. So if you're interested and you guys want, I could maybe make a build video of it if there's a lot of interest in it. But I can show you the basic components here. We've got 650 milliamp ESC, a 650 milliamp battery, 12 amp ESC, which I wouldn't recommend. I'd probably go 20 amp, but that's what I had. 2205, 2300 kV motor, and there's a giant school bus over there making a bunch of noise. So I guess I'll wait for that. There's nobody in it. What kind of school is that? Anyway, X4R receiver, 4-gram servos, 6 by 4.5 prop. So all you can see, nothing particularly special. The sort of secret sauce, I think, of what is making this one resilient is I did a laminate of 2 sheets of foam core, laminated together with some Super 77 glue, and it makes it super rigid, and I think it'll handle crashes pretty well. So that's the first thing I'm working on today. I'm going to try to shoot some video of myself flying it around, and it probably won't be good because I don't have somebody to do a follow video, but maybe I can show you the hand launch or something. The other thing that I'm working on is my nano talon, and I'm going to do a range test today. So I took this out to Eastern Washington it was a couple weeks ago, and I was out flying it by this really nice ridge line. It was super windy, it's turbulent, probably not the best day to fly. I didn't really have a good option for a landing spot, but I thought I could pull it off. And unfortunately, while I was flying it, I lost video. The telemetry was still there, but the camera just crapped out on me. And so I had to put it in return to home. It was loitering. I had a line of sight landing into a tree. That didn't work very well. But since then, the range has been terrible, and I don't know why. So I've tried a different temporary antenna placement to see if that's gonna help. But I don't know yet. We'll have to see. So I'll give it a try. I'll try to give you guys a video of the flight of both of these, and I hope you enjoy. And if you're interested in a build or what you need to build that wing, let me know. Put it in the comments, and if I have time, I will put that together. At least some sort of like simple document so you guys can see what the measurements are, but it's pretty simple. All right, thanks a lot. I'm gonna go fly, and hope you guys enjoy.
So full of desperation, I can barely stand the rotation. I can hardly start to speak, I'm weak. I feel the past in my bones. My dream I'm naked and alone.
Alright, that went all as well as it could be expected. Everything worked like it was supposed to. I think I'm getting about the same range as I was before. I'd like to get more, but at least it's not worse than it was. Well, thanks for watching. It was a good day to fly. It's really beautiful weather. Now I gotta go to work. So, alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.